In the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and merciful. स्टूडेंट्स, आज जो हम आर्टिकल डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है चैप्टर नंबर 11 का। ये दो तरह से पेपर में आता है। द फर्स्ट वन इज एक्सप्रेशन फॉर एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर ऑन काइनेटिक थ्योरी और टू प्रूव दैट टेम्परेचर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एवरेज ट्रांसलेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी। स्टूडेंट्स, the ideal gas law is that is PV is equal to nRT. Friends, N is the number of moles, R is the universal gas constant and T is the absolute temperature. The value of the universal gas constant is, and you must know its value is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin, and T is the absolute temperature, and number of moles is equal to number of molecules divided by Avogadro number. So look at again here. Its value is equal to number of moles, that is equal to N over Na. N is the number of molecules and Na is the Avogadro number. And Avogadro number, you must know its value, that is equal to you must know 6.23 into 10 is to power 23 moles. That is the Avogadro number. So putting this value in that equation, so that is the equation number 1. And putting this value, we have PV is equal to N over Na into RT. Because it's dividing, and you can write on as N over R over Na into T. This one I mean R over Na. It's another constant and it is Boltzmann constant. It's a Boltzmann constant. You must know its value, that is the Boltzmann constant, and that is equal to K. So K is the Boltzmann constant and you must know its value. And putting this value in the above equation, we have PV is equal to Nk into T. So let's suppose it's another equation, I mean equation number 2. So answer, that is the equation number 2, PV is equal to Nkt, K is the Boltzmann constant. And we know the pressure of the gas according to kinetic theory of gases. So P is equal to 2 by 3 N naught kinetic energy average. So that is the average translation kinetic energy. And we have proved this relation earlier, students. So that is the pressure of the gas according to kinetic molecular theory. P is equal to 2 by 3 N naught average translation kinetic energy. What is N naught? It is the number of molecules per unit volume. So putting this value in the above equation, we have P is equal to 2 by 3 N over V and kinetic energy average. So you just cross multiply this V on this end. We have PV is equal to 2 by 3 N kinetic energy average. So it's another equation, I mean equation number 3. So if you look at the equation number 2, PV is equal to Nkt, and we have the equation number 3 is PV is equal to 2 by 3 Nke average. So you can equate these values, these equations. Students, K is the Boltzmann constant. In that equation, PV is equal to KT, and you must know its value. K is equal to 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. You must know its value, students. It's a Boltzmann constant. I've just told you. K is the Boltzmann constant and its value 1.38 into 10 minus 23 joule per Kelvin. So we have the equation number 2 is there. PV is equal to NKT and PV is equal to 2 by 3 NKE average. So it's another equation. Equation number 3. So you can equate these two equations, equating equations 2 and 3, and if we equate these two equations, we have NKT is equal to 2 by 3 N over V KE average. So N is cancelled by this N, and on this side if we take T, it will be equal to 2 by 3 K, and we have the that is N naught is there, students. N is there, not NV. 2 by 3 N KE average. So N is cancelled. We have 2 over 3K, T on the side, 2 over 3K KE average. KE average. So that's why 2 is constant, 3 is constant, and K Boltzmann is constant. So 2 over 3K is another constant. So you can replace this equation as, so as T is equal to constant into KE average. So this proportionality sign, equality sign and constant can be removed by proportionality constant, and T is proportional to average translational kinetic energy. So T is proportional to average translational kinetic energy. So students, is a very, very important long question, and you must know clear about this. Thank you also.